Howdy folks, today we're looking at the wooden bike shed on this lovely warm afternoon here in Finglas. This fella is 6 foot at the tallest point, it's 7 foot wide and 4 foot deep. You'd easily get 3 bikes in here, probably more. I have some family members that have this, they don't even have bikes, they just use it to store their garden tools because it's a neat little unit and it opens huge at the front. You can see that it slopes from the front to back too, so the rainwater rolls off it nice and easily, and it also presents a large front without being huge at the back. Nice. These sheds have metal hinges on the doors, make them nice and sturdy, and they have a bolt lock in the middle as well. When we open up the shed here, you'll see that there's a little lip along the bottom. This isn't an issue for bikes, but it can be a problem if you're planning to use it to store a heavy lawnmower or something like that, so keep that in mind. These sheds are pressure treated as standard, so you don't need to worry about varnishing them every year. This means that the shed won't suffer from rot or fungus. I suppose the only thing you'll have to worry about is how you're going to fit into that lycra. They've got a reinforced sturdy roof as well, and the floor is nailed down, not staples, making it extra robust. Right, so the doors are braced as you can see here. That makes them nice and solid and secure, and we've a bolt lock up top and another one down below. This shed is available in basic rustic wood or in the more premium deluxe alternative. The deluxe option is made with tongue and groove wood, so it's more airtight than the overlapping board that makes up the rustic wood. If you're concerned about dampness getting into your shed, then I'd definitely punt for the deluxe version. You can see this shed in our Finglas showroom or online at shedsdirectireland.com. shedsdirectireland.com. We're bleeding shedly.